Today we're at Lake Las Vegas and we're gonna show you how to get a drone shot with no drone. The first method we're gonna use is the Zipline Shot. The Zipline Shot is accomplished with a GoPro or any other action camera attached to a cylindrical object. Today we are using a toilet paper roll. You can probably use a paper towel roll or anything like this, the same shape, and it would work. We just duct taped it. We MacGyvered this thing. We're gonna MacGyver a lot of things today. So the Zipline Shot is done with action camera. Today the GoPro Hero Black 8, a toilet paper roll, fishing line. This is just a 15-pound. You can get 30-pound, whatever you need. And we've got a buddy from the top and a buddy from the bottom. So you need to make sure you have a high vantage point and a low vantage point because you've got to have someone to release your camera from the top to the bottom. The other thing we experienced was we thought we would just pop the little GoPro legs down and feed the fishing line through here. But unfortunately what happened when we fed it through just like this, there was a lot of wobbling that happened. There wasn't as much stability to the rig as we needed, and adding just even a small amount of stability added just enough to get a nice smooth shot. The next method we are going to try is what we call the long pole method. So today I have my GoPro 8 Hero Black that is attached with good old-fashioned duct tape to a PVC pipe. We're gonna use this to get some push-in shots, some pull-away shots, some wide angle, and some basic panorama. You want to make sure that when you are using your long pole, you are paying attention to the fact that this is in a fixed angle. So that means that while it's up in the air, while you're moving it around, it's not going to adjust for you. It's not like a gimbal. So you've got to make sure that you're getting the exact angle that you want and you're keeping your frame in mind the entire time. Best practice for utilizing this method is to make sure you're walking very slowly and steadily so that there's no excess wobbling. The next method we're going to bring to you is the light stand method, otherwise known as the tripod shot. So it can be used with any light stand or tripod with this mount. Today we're going to attach our gimbal to the top of this mount, and I'm going to put my iPhone 11 Pro Max into the top of the gimbal, and we're gonna see all of the great drone-esque shots we can get with that. One of the benefits to using the gimbal on the end of the light stick or on the end of the tripod is it does have this movability. It does have a lot more versatility in adjustment. So when you're doing those moving shots, you don't have to be as worried about it only getting one angle because it's going to adjust for you.
These methods are some of the easiest ways to get a drone shot with no drone, or to fake a drone shot with no drone, or just faking a drone shot made easy. So if you have no drone, it's no problem. It's a great way to get drone shots in a no-fly zone. So if you're somewhere that you really want to fly, you want to get those aerial shots, but drones are prohibited for whatever reason, you can use these methods.
That is it. Those are my top ways to get epic drone footage without a drone. Let me know what you thought. What else could we add to it? We've got more coming to you. Check out the rest of the channel. Hope you enjoyed it, and